This piece of pavement was our first Swole-Crete test. We just poured it into a 6-inch deep trench with no other reinforcement. There are a few hairline cracks, but nothing significant. It was pretty exciting to see the thing that actually been driving over it. We don't know how many times. At least once a semi pulled over it, and this trailer, if it's loaded, it's pretty heavy. Yep, it looks a lot like success. We just needed a little place scraped out for us, and Jason hit it hard. Didn't take a few minutes. It's a nice day with the clouds blocking the sun. If we didn't have other things to do, I could have watched him work with that machine all day. Okay, we're laying out the forms. Stakes are going in. We think there's... Well, we're getting pretty done here. Levi's crew has... Okay. We're staking the ropes down with these 6-inch, what are they, timber ties? Oh my God, it's perfect. It's working out way better than I would have expected. Now I dug these pits out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the, I guess that's the east side, and 3 on the west side. These are supposed to be roughly 2 feet apart, like the 1609 test. Each of those red half-inch ropes is a tensile strength of 32,000 pounds. In other words, any 3 of those ropes can support about 140% of a fully loaded concrete truck. We had success without additional reinforcement before, so they're going to make us a super heavy truck of 80,000 pounds when we start trying to break this pad. We got the distributed fiber optic sensing installed in that blue rope, which will allow us to get stress strain readings every 10 millimeters, or 4/10 of an inch. That's roughly the equivalent of 2,000 strain gauges. Now we're just waiting for the concrete in the pump truck. In the pause, I thought I'd show off to you how much beauty sleep I got last night. Okay, it's 14:13. The truck just got here. We're gonna prime, and then we're gonna hook up.
How do you say that?
No, this side just come up there.
Go up a little bit.
Here we go.
There it is.
Okay,
Somebody pinned it somewhere else. Which hole? This is the pipe right here. Yeah, there it is.
So the zip tie broke again. It's crazy. They're doing it by hand. They're actually doing a great job.
Cut it off if it's halfway finished for a minute.
I'm not sure.
Well, I mean, we could work this right here.
So we're almost done. Okay, so we stopped 3 feet from the end so they could screed it because we were a little low on that end.
20 minutes out here. We went put a battery on this time.
20 minutes to pour it. So it's only been 1 hour since Jesse got out here. We pumped 10 yards of concrete. When we start running super heavies over this pad, we'll know if this dream is reachable. It's getting much closer. And being able to run thousands of quality engineering readings will be the definitive measure. Besides, who doesn't love trains?